Probably the most important and utilized feature of HuskyJobs is the actual job search function itself. In this tutorial, I'm going to start off with the basic job search tips and then get into some of the more advanced functions in a separate video. So to start off, from your home screen, you're going to want to go to the top and click on this Jobs, Internships, and On-Campus Interviews tab. Before I get into it, I want to mention a few notes. You want to make sure your browser is updated. HuskyJobs only supports the current version as well as one version back for all web browsers, so Firefox, Google Chrome, and Internet Explorer. If you're using an older version, the search functions of HuskyJobs may have some errors. You'll also want to make sure to have your pop-ups enabled, as the search function is considered a pop-up and might be blocked in your browser. And last, if you're ever confused on HuskyJobs, you can click on the question mark that's located right here at the top right. The information portrayed here is actually customized to each page, so if you're on the search page, it would bring up frequently asked questions about searches, and so on and so forth for other pages of HuskyJobs, uploading documents, applying to on-campus interviews, etc. You'll see it looks a little bit like this. Alright, so back to looking at the search functions. You'll see the search bar here that shows up at the top, and this searches keywords, which pulls information from the job title, the description of the job, the location, as well as the employer name. You can also see some tips up here for how to best use a keyword search. So I'll go ahead and start off with an example. Say that I'm looking for a position within advertising. So I might type in the word advertising. And as you see as I start typing, some options pull up below. These are suggested options to search from, similar to how Google search works. For what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and choose my own keywords and hit enter to search. If I look all the way at the bottom, I can see the total number of results that get pulled up when I search for advertising, which I see down here is 27. Scroll back up to the top and try a slightly different search. So I'll go ahead and clear what I've searched so far. Not all positions will have the exact phrasing of advertising. They might have advertise or advertisement. And if I want those results to also get pulled up in my results, I can go ahead and add a star to the end of my word, advertise, and we'll see what that pulls up now. Again, I'll scroll to the bottom to see the total results. And now you see that there's 31, so there's 4 more examples that got pulled up. Try another example and say that I'm looking for an account manager position, so I'll go ahead and clear this. And we'll type in account manager. Again, press enter. Let's scroll through these results as well, and again, I'll look at the bottom to see how many results got pulled up, which in this case is well above 200, which is quite a bit. This is because if I search for account manager, the way it's currently phrased, it's pulling up every position that has either the word account or manager in it. If I want this exact phrase, I can put quotations around the word. Go ahead and search for that. Now we can see that 16 positions were pulled up, which is great. It's a bit more refined than the last results that were pulled. So that's just a few examples of the keyword search. And as you can see here, you can click on advanced search and look over more options. I'll go over these in a separate tutorial.